Hello again, welcome along. In this video we're going to be having a walk around Gatwick Airport North Terminal. So we're just coming in the entrance here and we're going to get the lifts up to the departures lounge. Level 1. And we're going to be flying from Gatwick to Paphos. But first of all, we're going to get the lifts up to the departure lounge and have a look around the actual airport. So as you can see here, we're at the EasyJet section, easily recognised with its distinctive orange colours. And we're going to just go through and check our luggage in. So the helpful lady there just pointed us in the right direction. Now it's not too busy, which is good. There are quite a few people, as you can see, but not too bad. It was moving quite well. So if you're familiar with Gatwick Airport, you'll know there's two terminals, there's North and South. I think they're both used for the same sort of destinations. I've been from both terminals before, North and South Terminal. In this case, we were going from the North, but I had been from the South. But there is a little bit of a walk, as you can see. Now we're going with TUI, but we're not flying on a TUI jet, we're flying on an EasyJet. So first of all, we've checked all our luggage in, and then we're going to walk through the long walkway. As you can see, this will be to the departure and security. Quite a long walk, but quite a pleasant one. As you can see out, it's got windows on both sides. You can see the flights getting ready to depart. Now it is quite a long walkway, as I say, but not as long as the one at Heathrow between terminals 2 and 3. If anyone's been there, that is about three escalators. This one's only got the one and then the lift down. Steep that is. Now a lot of these airports, including Gatwick, Luton and Stansted, have had a bit of a makeover in the last few years. So everything's a lot easier to find, I think, in my experience. All the shops are all close by, so you can just walk through them one after the other. I think it's designed that way, so you just buy stuff rather than just nipping into one shop in particular. You walk through the whole lot. But it does work. I think it's quite a good layout.
Sure, what number is it?
So we're through to the boarding gates. We've got the EasyJet one there. That'll be boarding in around about half an hour to an hour, I think it is.
113, isn't it? It's 113.
So we'll just have a little look around the shops, and then we'll be taking our flight to Paphos.
It's Turkey, isn't it?
Now this is number one in a series of videos I'm going to be making of the trip to Paphos, Cyprus. This is the first one, obviously, having a look around Gatwick Airport, the shops and the departure gates. And in the future videos we'll be looking at the hotel and also around Paphos.
106, oh, this for you.
We'll be staying at the Atlantica Mare hotel, if anyone's familiar with that. It's quite a nice hotel, I have been there before. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and there's going to be plenty more to come. Bye for now.